Hi friends, welcome to our channel Learn Thought. Today we are going to discuss about list of MCQ in the topic of 8086 addressing mode from microprocessor and microcontroller. Let us move on to the question. The first question, which addressing mode is being used in the given instruction? Move AX, within bracket 1234H. The options are option A, base addressing mode, option B, immediate addressing mode, option C, register addressing mode, option D, direct addressing mode. So the answer is direct addressing mode. The next one, in dash, the operand is specified in the instruction itself. The options are option A, immediate addressing, option B, register mode, option C, implied addressing, option D, register indirect. So the answer is implied addressing. The next one, in which mode the operand is placed in one of 8-bit or 16-bit general purpose registers. So the options are option A, immediate addressing, option B, register mode, option C, implied addressing, option D, register indirect. The answer is register mode. So the fourth one, zero address instruction are designed with implied addressing mode. So options are option A, true, option B, false, option C, can be true or false, option D, cannot say. So the answer is true. The next one, in the following indexed addressing mode instruction, move 5, within bracket R1, location, the effective address is dash. So the options are EA equal to, so EA mentioned as effective address, equal to 5 plus R1, option B, EA equal to R1, option C, EA equal to within bracket R1, option D, EA equal to 5 plus within bracket R1. So the answer is EA equal to 5 plus within bracket R1. The next question, the addressing modes which uses the PC instead of a general purpose register is dash. The options are indexed with offset, relative, direct, both indexed with offset and direct. The answer is relative. Addressing mode is most suitable to change the normal sequence of execution of instructions. So the options are option A, relative, option B, indirect, option C, index with offset, option D, immediate. So the answer is relative. So relative addressing mode is the most suitable to change the normal sequence of execution of instructions. So next one, the instruction move AX, 0005H belongs to the address mode. That is, options are option A, register, option B, direct, option C, immediate, option D, register relative. So the answer is immediate. So move AX, 0005H belongs to immediate addressing mode. The next one, the instruction move AX, within bracket 2500H is an example of. The options are option A, immediate addressing mode, option B, direct addressing mode, option C, indirect addressing mode, option D, register addressing mode. So the answer is direct addressing mode. So move AX, within bracket 2500H is an example of direct addressing mode. The next one, if the offset of the operand is stored in one of the index registers, then it is based index addressing mode, relative based indexed addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, none of the mentioned. So the answer is indexed addressing mode. The next one, the bit physical address in 8086 microprocessor when CS is equal to 3345H and IP equal to 5000H is dash. The options are option A, 33450H, option B, 34450H, option C, 38450H, option D, 53345H. The answer is 38450H. The next one, The instruction move AX comma within bracket BX is an example of. The options are option A direct addressing mode, option B register addressing mode, option C register relative addressing mode, option D register indirect addressing mode. So the answer is register indirect addressing mode. So move AX comma within bracket BX is an example of register indirect addressing mode. So thank you for visiting our channel. Please subscribe our channel to get upcoming videos. Thank you.